Hi, good morning. This is my very first vlog as an English teacher at Sekolah Victory Plus in Bekasi, Indonesia. I usually wake up at 4:30, but it starts with Muslim prayer because I live next to the mosque. I usually walk to the school. It takes about 20 minutes to get there. Since there are 3 schools in the same area at Kemang Pratama, Al-Azhar, Marsudarini, and my school SVP, traffic is unavoidable. Good morning, Pak.
Morning, Pak Krito.
I think I might be a threat for this cat. Look, he wants to attack me. Oh no.
Jangan lari-lari Pak, jatuh.
These are our primary teachers welcoming our primary students.
Please give a round of applause to our new teachers. Thank you. Thank you.
My laptop got a trouble this morning, so my school lends me a MacBook to work. At almost every after-school hour, I usually work out at the school gym. It's time to go home and rest.